Pakumam Jobino Dede Agamo Ukan Okanga Yamo Beningango Ologo Richard Do Atie Yamo Ikabedome CEO Odepore Binokane Doko Papa Tokongole Do Echwa Be Asom Gini Ayalo Somo Kitamene Yamo Kide Amada Medo Mera Achiel Moro But Toto Mejamni Ene Yamo So Balwa Mere Otobe Amito Timo P Liametero Karatot Ayaro Timo Kita Jessica Lupomaro Timo Kede Isoma Soma Kitame Binokede So reported speech Ayambe good afternoon Donande good evening. Good evening. It's with great pride and gratitude that I welcome all of you to the launch of Kumam Media and Kumam Gallery Saving Kampala. So mano yamobe egamo dedede binokane di launch ni men Kumam Gallery kele Kumam Gallery Saving. Kane diotie oteke de group nare otieke de media group ame dealing with the Germany amagre kede talk kede Germany apapat dio kobedo kede side me saving da so groups gitiare ananti kane so Kumam Gallery Saving kede Kumam Gallery group so emene de yamobe Kumam Gallery groups and the circle initiative dedicated to fostering financial discipline, solidarity, and empowerment along its membership, especially the youth. So can focus here empowering communities, especially the Kumam community within Uganda. Okay, let's say within Uganda and the diaspora. Arai ipinya papadat. Bioteke the members ame wat gimogo tikane doginiti pinya oko. Gidite participant in Kumam Gallery. So many wimano Kumam Gallery likatie pi jo atie arai within Uganda kenekene. Onyai biotimogi ni social media. So it's outside Uganda as well. Now I comment obe fostering financial discipline, solidarity, and empowerment among the members. So target here the young people, the youth, they are teaching. They are putting donga. Otene nobe you join the Kumam Gallery okone nobe old Nukara Chel. His first point here, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the esteemed guest, which the Prime Minister, Donano Teke, the Deputy Prime Minister, CDO, Nyinge Alwano, Lianga Riti around, Iria Verchini, CDO Makalaki. I think Ali. Or take the Archdeacon, Mekalaki, I think it's Archdeaconal. Yes, Etia, Adeli. Or take the RDC, although Opoeda Pibino, Aretie, RDC Dali, DPC, and all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. He also extends his warm thanks to every member of this community. Jome alakide so engamo joma alakide dube po udede omi orongo udede bino kane. So thank you for joining this day. Your trust and commitment are the heartfelt, dearly heartfelt on your endeavors. So opoyo udede piga mwakane. Opoyo yelo siyo gamwakane. Yelo thirido gamwa mekabirapa bat. So chunywa yo piyenewa binotimo function ikane kalaki. Pi inoge otime Kampala kono uloteke the plan me bedo kede kuno da udoromo time kunoto ko yambe no we go to obil paka kalaki omi jo me community dan den gimote timo eno mi anano tetu ai kalaki kane opo yusana ba puno beretinga. Now more about Kumam Gallery Media. Dia yamo kiboteke the group nare. Kumam Gallery Media is a digital platform or space where Kumam culture, art, music, and other creative expressions are showcased and celebrated. Our mission is to promote, preserve Kumam culture, traditions, and artistic expressions through digital media and community engagement. So, Kigoka explaining Malopuno. Purpose me Kumam Gallery Media. kuma Mgalare Media. Meo kichama no yambe Nyoroto Soroti mano udo kuma Mgalare Media. So Iomi otime obedo Germany goma o mentioning go achiel here obedo to preserve arabo daro kede tok olongobe kumo kede test kuma mangiwe yamli yano tima kisa wanjo motu boyamo lebare so kai winya yamo karamoro teso udo kuma bino no